Welcome to our introduction to health psychology. Health psychology is a field that examines how biological, psychological, and social factors influence our health and illness. But why is it important to study health psychology? Understanding these factors can help us promote better mental and physical health and implement strategies to enhance our overall well-being. Throughout this video, we'll explore key topics such as the impact of stress on our health, different types of stress and stressors, the General Adaptation Syndrome, and the Tend-and-Befriend Theory. We'll also discuss various coping strategies for managing stress and how health psychology is applied in real-life scenarios to improve health outcomes. So let's dive in and uncover the fascinating world of health psychology. Stress is a major factor that impacts our health in profound ways. When we're under stress, our bodies react by triggering a series of physiological responses. These reactions can place a significant burden on both our mental and physical health. For example, chronic stress can lead to conditions such as hypertension, which is high blood pressure, and it can also suppress the immune system, making us more susceptible to illnesses. Understanding how stress affects our bodies and minds is crucial because it allows us to develop effective strategies to manage it. By recognizing the conditions linked to stress, we can take steps to mitigate its impact, improving our overall well-being. Remember, stress is not just about feeling overwhelmed. It has tangible effects on our health that need to be addressed. Not all stress is bad. There's eustress, or positive stress, which can actually motivate us to perform better. Think of the excitement before a big game or an important exam. This is eustress at work. On the other hand, we have distress, or negative stress, which can be harmful to our health. Examples of distress include unresolved conflicts, excessive workload, or health problems. Identifying the type and source of stress we're facing can help us manage it more effectively. By understanding and categorizing our stressors, we can take steps to mitigate their impact on our well-being. Hans Selye's General Adaptation Syndrome, or GAS, offers a detailed look at how our bodies respond to stress. GAS unfolds in three distinct stages: alarm, resistance, and exhaustion. In the alarm stage, the body immediately reacts to a perceived threat, activating the fight-flight-freeze response. This is akin to the sudden surge of adrenaline you might feel if you narrowly avoid an accident. Next, we enter the resistance stage. Here, the body tries to adapt to the stressor. For instance, if you're faced with ongoing exams, your body may remain in a heightened state of alertness, but this can't go on forever. Prolonged stress leads to the exhaustion stage, where the body's resources are depleted. This final stage can result in increased susceptibility to illnesses and a general decline in overall health. Understanding these stages helps us see why managing stress early is crucial for long-term well-being. The Tend-and-Befriend Theory suggests that in response to stress, people, particularly women, are more likely to seek social support and form alliances. This behavior contrasts with the traditional fight-or-flight response, which focuses on more solitary actions. The theory highlights the importance of social networks and connection in mitigating the effects of stress. By seeking support, individuals can reduce feelings of isolation and vulnerability, ultimately creating a sense of safety and resilience. In essence, this response engages a communal protective strategy that not only benefits the individual, but also strengthens the group's ability to handle stressors collectively. Coping with stress is an essential skill for maintaining our overall well-being. There are two primary types of coping strategies: problem-focused and emotion-focused coping. Problem-focused coping involves tackling the stressor directly to alleviate the stress it causes. For example, if you're feeling stressed about an upcoming exam, problem-focused coping might involve making a study schedule and sticking to it. On the other hand, emotion-focused coping involves managing your emotional response to the stressor. This might include talking to friends or engaging in activities that help you relax, like listening to music or journaling. Another powerful technique for enhancing coping effectiveness is meditation. Meditation helps you center your mind, reduce anxiety, and improve your emotional resilience. Maintaining personal control over your environment, such as keeping a tidy workspace or setting clear boundaries, also plays a significant role in managing stress. Remember, the goal of coping strategies is to help you handle stress in a way that promotes health and well-being, making them vital tools in our lives. Health psychology principles find practical applications in various settings, making significant contributions to improving health outcomes and enhancing quality of life. For example, in hospitals, health psychologists help patients manage chronic illnesses by teaching effective stress management techniques and promoting healthy behaviors. In schools, they work with students to develop coping strategies that support mental and physical well-being. Community health programs benefit from health psychology by creating interventions that address social determinants of health, aiming to reduce disparities and promote wellness. Through these real-life applications, health psychology not only addresses immediate health issues, but also fosters long-term health resilience and well-being. By understanding and managing stress and employing effective coping strategies, we can enhance both mental and physical health in diverse environments. It's about making a tangible difference, improving lives one step at a time. Let's test your knowledge with a few true or false questions. Ready? Here we go. Health psychology focuses solely on physical health. If you answered false, you're correct. Health psychology focuses on both mental and physical health. Next, here's a tricky one. Eustress is a type of negative stress. If you said false, good job. Eustress is actually a type of positive stress. Now let's move to a core concept. The General Adaptation Syndrome includes the stages of alarm, resistance, and exhaustion. If you answered true, you're spot on. Another important point, problem-focused coping involves managing the emotional response to a stressor. If you said false, you're correct again. Problem-focused coping involves addressing the stressor directly. Our last question. The Tend-and-Befriend Theory suggests people seek social support in response to stress. If you answered true, great work. This theory indeed suggests that people, particularly women, form protective alliances when stressed. Thanks for participating. Keep these points in mind as they're crucial for understanding health psychology. To recap, we've delved into the fascinating world of health psychology. We've explored how it examines the interplay between biological, psychological, and social factors to influence health. We discussed the significant impact of stress on both mental and physical well-being, diving into the distinctions between eustress and distress. We also unpacked Hans Selye's General Adaptation Syndrome and the Tend-and-Befriend Theory, highlighting how they explain our responses to stress. Finally, we covered various coping strategies that help manage stress, including problem-focused and emotion-focused approaches. Remember, understanding these concepts can greatly enhance your overall well-being. Health psychology offers us invaluable tools to navigate the complexities of stress and achieve a healthier, more balanced life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more educational content on psychology. By engaging with our channel, you can continue to deepen your understanding of health psychology and how it impacts our daily lives. Your support allows us to keep creating informative and engaging videos that educate and inspire. Don't miss out on our upcoming series. Hit that subscribe button now and join our community of learners.